How to get 60% off Expedia coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in Expedia coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. With that, you'll be directed to the website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Once you're on this website, you can just scroll down and check out the offers. 30% off, 25% off, $10 off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on redeem at Expedia. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flights, stays, or cars, and then proceed to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and then confirm it. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Expedia. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, you can head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Expedia. So this way you can easily get up to 60% off Expedia coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.